Hi there, it's Inktober day 3, and I'm going with the prompts from the Drawing Garden, and the day 3 prompt is Fern. So I had just read a blog by a friend of mine about being more intuitive in your artwork, and I'm always working on that, so I just decided to just go for it and don't worry about it. And so what I thought to draw and paint was a fern hanging from a hook, like a houseplant with the, and then I just decided to use my Neocolors and yeah, so that's that. And I didn't really go into it with any other plan besides that, and just intuitively started grabbing colors. And really I'm just checking out my new lighting, which I think looks okay, especially considering I filmed this at night. So hey, if you remember, I'm using Inktober as a chance to work on my inking skills, but not only that, my social media, it's Social Media Tober for me, and Videotober. So I'm working on all of those skills, and my goal so far is to create every day, post something on social media about my art, and extra points, do a video. And so I'm doing pretty good this month. I ended up using the Uniball Signal 207 for the inking on this one, just because it's fast. I use 207 with the bold tip that is waterproof once it dries, and it's pretty easy and I like to use it. Here I tried salt out to see how that worked with Neocolors. It didn't work the same as it does with watercolor, but that's okay. And then I always think everything looks better with dots all over it, so that's what's going on here. So it'll splatter with some watercolor. Hey, thanks for watching. If you want to support my art, please like, subscribe, follow, etc., 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 etc. Costs you nothing, means a lot on the internet. Hey, thanks for watching. Bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow.